Hey everybody, my name is Akash Inti, and today I'm doing a review of the Partner with Anthony program. So, how did I find about this Anthony Morrison guy, and what are my thoughts on the Partner with Anthony program? Well, before this, I was a biotech research analyst, and I spent quite a bit of my time as an employee for about 3 years out of college. And while I liked the job and I really enjoyed the engagement of the job, I was looking for something more. I got the bite of wanting to be an entrepreneur, and so I ended up deciding I left my job, and I've spent the past 6 months, 7 months now, really studying under the world's best mentors across areas of health and vitality, relationships and seduction, and sales and business. And so in my journey of learning about sales and business, I've studied under Jordan Belfort, specifically his straight line sales program. Now, as I studied that and went through the program, Jordan ended up doing an interview of Anthony Morrison and talked him up. He was like, Anthony is the type of guy who he knows what he's doing. He's been in the game for 20 years. He's focused on really showing people how do you make money in the digital marketing space. So I was like, okay, cool. Well, Jordan Belfort says something about this. I like the guy. Let me see what's going on with this guy. So I ended up signing up for Anthony's Instagram Mastery program because, come on, I'm a millennial. What millennial doesn't want to be doing Instagram? So I was like, okay, what are all the different features on Instagram? How do I use it? And as I did that, I ended up learning a lot from the course, and that was my first introduction to Anthony and specifically his teaching. And I was impressed. I was really impressed. I really liked the structure of his courses and the way that worked. But consequently, I decided, okay, cool. This Instagram mastery stuff, there's something to this. I kind of like it. Let me see what's going on with this Partner with Anthony thing. It's only $7 a month. Like, what do I got to lose? And besides, I knew I wanted to get into entrepreneurship. I knew I wanted to do digital marketing specifically because I like the lifestyle of it, that I could travel anywhere in the world, that I could make money on my computer. So I was like, okay, cool. Let me learn from this guy. I saw his first program. I saw some results from it. I really enjoyed it. I got a sense of a lot of learning and a sense of discipline, which I was looking for specifically. So I ended up doing the Partner with Anthony program, and right now I'm about day 14, day 15, somewhere around this into the program, and I've loved it. I really have. It's so easy to kind of go through the lessons. They're broken down by modules. So in a day, there's like 5 or 6 modules, maybe between 5 to 15 minute lecture lessons, and it's broken down very simply. It's like, okay, module one, here's what you learn, here's the information that you need to know, apply this and do it. So I'm the type of guy who loves learning, as I mentioned to you earlier, and I like learning in a methodical manner. So that's one thing I found a lot of value from Anthony. The other thing is he also teaches the mindset of an entrepreneur and the mindset of a digital marketer and what's necessary to really be successful in this business. And I've found that to be of huge value. It's like one thing to learn all of the tools and how do you quick connect all of these things and how do you make your business and all this fun stuff. Yeah, that's important. But what's the mind that you need to go into? What's the mindset that you need to show up to on your computer and be like, all right, cool, I'm doing this, and why am I doing this, and whatnot. So I found a lot of value from that particularly. Lastly, the big piece that I've found a lot of value in as well is just his way of connecting so many different digital entrepreneurs in one space. He has a group called Success Connection on Facebook. That's a private group for his students, and there's like tens of thousands of people all over the world, all different niches and all different types of businesses, and they're all in one place. And to be able to say that, okay, I'm learning this one thing that Anthony's teaching right now, I'm having trouble applying it, just to be able to type in the group and say, hey, I'm having trouble applying this, like easily 15 people just like there, oh yeah, try this out, or try this out, or I had this problem myself, try this out. So these are the things that I've specifically found value in the Partner with Anthony program, and I love it. I really do. I'm the type of guy that when I see something and I know that I like it because there's something about it that's just, oh, I can't even put my words on it, but there's just something about it and like this person that they have something that I've been looking for. Anthony was this guy for me, and so I was like, I'm gonna do anything it takes to learn from this man because I love getting results. I love seeing my success, and I love being rewarded for doing hard work. And so if you guys have found this valuable, I invite you to click the link below this video and check out and get some more information about the Partner with Anthony program. Also encourage you guys to comment on the video if you found anything useful or if there's anything that you want to learn more about. With that, I leave you on my personal philosophy, that being keep up, thrive, and stay sexy.